Hey fish family, so we're making a mess of the fish room downstairs and moving the piranha tank from one wall to underneath the window. I'm going to try and snip off some of my pothos plant here and stick it into the piranha tank, so we'll see how that goes. It definitely likes the fish water just getting dumped on it. We'll see how we do downstairs. I've really twisted it into stuff, so let's see. Cycling the two filters from the back of the piranha tank until it is set up and ready for them to go back in again. Alright, so the piranha are in their home again. They all made the transition over. Alright, we got to give the tank a good clean. I've added the pothos plant up here, and on that side we were trying to add some other greenery in there, but they sure knocked that out quick, so we'll see. We did get some guppy fry this morning, and I'll show you those next, and then an update on my betta wall. As soon as I stop this video, we're gonna go start working on the 33, maybe get it done today. I'm not 100% sure. It might be next weekend's project. So this is one of this morning's guppies fry, I think from the Orange Mom. The new daddy mommy had to panic and go out and grab us some more live plants for his new little babies. If anybody can tell me what type of plant that is, that would be so appreciated. Just exercising the bettas. So we're going to keep this one, and when I come back from my Calgary trip, we're going to breed with potato here, hopefully. One of my young dragon scale females. And the Dumbo babies. Thanks for watching, fish family.